We are Barb and Terry O'Neill. Join us as we spend our retirement exploring the world. La Couronne is an institution in Rouen. It opened in 1345 and has been open continuously since. This church just across from La Couronne is the Joan of Arc Church, and it was on this site that she was burned at the stake in 1431. The innkeeper of La Couronne said he could see the events take place through the window. I anticipated visiting La Couronne before we got to Rouen, but when I saw their 4.1 Google rating, I was a little concerned. The walls at La Couronne are covered with signed portraits by celebrities, athletes, and famous politicians that have eaten there. There's Princess Grace of Monaco, Jackie Stewart, Brigitte Bardot, John Wayne. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Ingrid Bergman. There's Julia Childs, who discovered French cooking at La Couronne in 1948. Salvador Dali. He was apparently averse to flying, and he would take the train to northern France to Le Havre to catch his steamships to America, and would stop in Rouen at La Couronne on his journey. Zsa Zsa Gabor. Sophia Loren. Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip arrived in Rouen aboard the Britannia in 1972. Audrey Hepburn visited in 1957. We were fortunate to be seated at the Julia Childs table. Julia credited her first French meal at La Couronne as instilling her love for French cooking. We chose La Couronne's Impressionist table d'hôte menu. Of course, we had to have a nice bottle of French wine with our meal. For starters, Barb had a hummus and goat cheese and pastry with pancetta. I had the foie gras. The starters were delicious. Here's our main, the grilled rib of beef with gratin potatoes and some béarnaise sauce.
This is the cœur de Neuchâtel. Normally you have the form for the heart.
Okay.
This is the pont l'évêque, the form for the rectangle.
Yes.
Right? This is the camembert.
Okay.
A circle. Normally here is a libero, it's a other cheese.
Livero. Okay. Normandy is known for their camembert. For dessert, Barb chose the Grand Marnier soufflé. I had the millefeuille. They were both delicious. I didn't need to worry about the mediocre Google rating. The whole meal was fantastic and was really one of the best meals of my life. With an all-in total of 139 euros, I thought it was tremendous value. Thanks for watching. Videos from Vietnam will be coming up next.